Hello and welcome to ArchiTools. Today, we will be learning about how to create a family in Revit. So, whether you are designing a custom furniture or optimizing parametric components, this tutorial will help you master family creation. Let's get started. Step 1. Open a new family template. For this, go to File and click on New, Family. Here, you can find different types of template in different categories of the units. For example, if we want metric system, then we have to go into English and here choose the metric template, whether we want to create a template for furniture or casework or any other family. Likewise, same is for the imperial system, which is English imperial folder. In this, if we go, we can find template for the family and we can choose whatever family we desire. I'll go to my metric system and I'll search for furniture, metric furniture, and I'll click on open. Step 2. Set up reference planes. To ensure your family is well structured, create reference planes. These will act as a skeleton of your furniture model. Go to Create tab and click on Reference Plane. Create reference plane for the boundaries. Provide dimensions to ensure they are at equal distances from both the ends. You click on dimensions and press the equal sign provided. These reference planes are now at equal distances from the center. Likewise, you do on the vertical reference planes. If I go on the front elevation, provide a reference plane for height. It's better to provide a naming to the reference plane. Step 3. Add parameters for flexibility. To make your furniture scalable, add parameters. Provide a dimension to the reference plane, click on the dimension, and on the label icon, find Create Parameter. Now here you can provide type or instance parameter desired, whether they should be fixed or adjustable as per the instance. For me, I want type parameter, so I'll provide a name to it. Likewise, you go on the elevations and provide a dimension for that so that we can provide a parameter for height. Test them by modifying values in the family types dialog to ensure they function correctly. To check this, provide a dimension from your side, for example 1800. You can see the reference plane is moving according to the dimension. So the height parameter is correct. Likewise, you check for the length and width. So all the parameters are working correctly. Step 4. Model the furniture geometry. For this, let's create the actual furniture model. Use solid forms like extrusion, blends, and sweeps provided in the Create tab. So we'll start creating the model family through extrusion. Lock the ends of the extrusion by clicking on the lock icon. After alignment, We click on this extrusion and provide a start and end. For me, the start is 890, let's say 880, and the end is 900. Provide a stand for the same. Click on circle, provide a circle, click on OK, provide an endpoint 10 mm. This is the base. Next, we need to provide a rod, provide height. In order to provide height for the same, I'll use the aligning system and lock it. I'll copy this without checking on the constraint and move it to the top. Now, as you can see, the heights are not locked right now. For this, we can do is provide a reference plane for the same and then align the reference plane with the solids by locking it. Align this top part with the height reference plane and lock it. So these solids are now aligned with the reference plane, but they are not locked. For that, we need to provide a dimension first. Individually, we provide a dimension and click on lock sign over here after clicking on the dimension. Similarly for the below part, and we do the same for below extrusion also. We provide a dimension and lock it. Step 5. Add materials and finishes. To make furniture look realistic, apply materials. We need to provide a parameter for the materials also, like we provided for the dimensions. We can click on the extrusion surface, and on the properties palette, we can find material and finishes. Click on the box icon over here and add a new material. For top, I'm naming it as top material, providing it in type parameter too. Likewise, we do for the base and frame structures. Provide a material for that in type category and click on OK. Step 6. Test and flex the family. Before saving, always test the family. Go to family, types and change the parameter values. Now as you can see, this part was not locked. So I'll go back to my front and align this part with the reference plane. Remove constraints. As you can see, there's a problem over here because this top part is aligned with this, which is not our what we want. For that, we need to push it back and remove the constraint and again align it with the top reference plane and lock it. Similarly for the base. Oh, here's a mistake. I want to lock it at this part. So I'll remove constraint again and I'll lock it with the same. Now if I check again with the height, now it's working perfectly. Once satisfied, save the family by clicking Save As, Family, and give a meaningful name and choose a location. Place it on the room and check if it behaves perfectly. We can adjust the dimensions and provide material to the finishes as we have provided the parameters for the same. For frame, we can provide material whichever we like. I'm providing steel, which is already provided in the Revit. And for the top material, I'll provide a wood. In case you want to provide a new material, you already know that you can provide the same by clicking on this icon and go to create a new material. I hope it's clear. Now we'll click on OK. So the materials have also been provided to our family. And that's it. You have successfully created a furniture family in Revit. This method ensures flexibility, accuracy, and usability in real-world projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more BIM content. See you in the next video.